morning students. We completed some points about factors in last class. Today we will discuss some more points about multiples. On that, first point, every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, for example, we'll take 2. We can write the multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 10, 10, 20, 30, 40 means here 2 means 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 like that. Then the multiples of 2 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Like that 10 also, the multiples of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 30 examples. In that, just observe the 2 is multiple of 2, then the multiple of 2, the multiples of 2, then 2 also one of the multiple of itself. One of the multiple, 2 is one of the multiple of 2. 2 is one of the multiple of 2. Like that, every number, one of the multiple of itself. One of the multiple of itself. Okay, next. See, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. For example, the multiples of 7 I am taking. The multiples of 7, what are the multiples of 7? 7 1 jar 7, 7 2 jar 14, 7 3 jar 21, 7 4 jar 28 and so on. First of all, in the take 28, 28 is always the 28 is the greater than 7, 21 also greater than 7, 14 also greater than 7, 7 is equal to 7. Same like as in factors, every factor is less than the given number or equal to the given number. In multiples, every multiple is greater than the given number or equal to the given number. In factors, for example, factors of 6 equal to what are that? 1, 2, 3, 6. In that factors of 6, 6 is the highest value and 6 is equal to, the 6 is one of the factor is equal to the given number. Like that multiples, multiples of 7, 7 is the least value and 7 is the one of multiple of 7. Okay, here the same number is least value in multiples, same number is highest value in factors. Same number is least, the least value or starting value of the multiples. In factors, the highest value and the same number is highest value of the factors. Next, third point. Number of multiples of multiples of given number is infinite. See, first of all, you compare the factors. In factors, factors of 9 is equal to 139. Factors of 9 is equal to 139 means limited, finite, limited or finite. But in multiples, same value, multiples of 9 will take, multiples of 9 is equal to, multiples of 9, 9 1 jar 9, 9 2 jar 18, 9 3 jar 27, 9 4 jar 36, and so on. We don't know the last value. Infinite. Then these multiples is the multiple of the given number once, twice, thrice, like that. In factors is the limited. See, 9 is equal to just 139 is limited. This is finite in factors. In multiples is infinite. Okay. I repeat once again, 1 is the factor of each and every number, every factor of itself, like that. Every factor of a number is a factor of itself, like that. Every multiple is every number is a multiple of itself. Same like as every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Multiple means will come equal or greater than. Factor means will come equal or less than. Factor means will come the numbers is less or equal. Multiples means will come equal or greater than. Why? Because the one more thing, the number of multiples are given number is infinite. Number of multiples, for example, we have to take 10 multiples. 10 1 jar 10, 10 2 jar 20, 10 3 jar 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, like that. There is no limitation. Means infinite. But factors, the factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. Only 4 factors of 10. This way, the factors is, number of factors is finite, number of multiples is infinite. These are the points of factors and multiples. Next, perfect number. What is the perfect number? Actually, we know natural number, whole numbers up to here. And what is perfect number? The perfect number also is one of the number. Then what is that? Sum of all factors of a number is equal to twice of the given number. Okay, in that example, first of all, what is the perfect number? For each and every number having some factors, on the factors, how many factors are there? First of all, add that all factors, the value is twice of the value is twice of the given number, then that number is called perfect number. For example, the factors of 4, example they gave 6. Okay, now we'll check if 6 is perfect number or not. We'll check. First of all, factors of 6 is equal to, factors of 6, 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 6. Sum of factors, sum of factors is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12. Means 12 is the twice of 6. The number 6 is equal to 2 into 6. 12 is the twice of 6. That's why 6 is the perfect number. Therefore 6 is a perfect number. 6 is a perfect number. See, observe here. Here we have the factors of 6 is equal to 4 factors 1 2 3 6. Just of all the sum, just add the 4 factors, will get answer is 12. The twice of 6 is equal to 12. Means the twice of the given number is equal to sum of all fractions, all factors. That's way the 6 is the perfect number. Like that, one more number is there, we have to check. One more example, 28. 28. First of all, write factors of 28. Factors of 28 equal to 28. Compulsory 1 is the common factor 1 and 28 even number. That's why in 2 table also 2 also factor, and 2 is the common factor of all even numbers. 2 is the common factor of all even numbers. 1 is the common factor of each and every number. All numbers common factor is 1. All even numbers common factor is 2. Next, 3 table 28 not possible, not there. 4 table 4 7 jar. 5 table means is not divisible with 5, and 6 not 7. 7 and 8 not possible, 9 not possible, and 10 also not possible. 11 12 14. Next, why? Because 14 2 jar 28, 1 28 jar 28, 2 14 jar 28, 4 7 jar 28, 14 2 jar 28, like that 28 1 jar 28. These are the factors. Now sum of factors equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. Total if you add 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 28 is 56. Otherwise twice of 28. Twice of 28. Actually, what is the rule? The sum of all factors of a particular number, of a given number, is twice of the given number, is equal to twice of the given number. Then the number is a perfect number. Therefore 28 is a perfect number. 28 is a perfect number. Now we'll check one more number is 12. Now we'll check. Then 12 is perfect number or not, we have to check. Next, 12. Factors of 12 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Next, see 1 plus, what is that? Sum of factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. Just we have to add. Is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 6, 18, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. 28. Actually, the twice of 12 is equal to how much? Twice of 12 is equal to what is that value? twice of 12 is equal to 24. But here what is the value here? 28. Means therefore 12 is not a perfect number. Perfect number. Even 2 also not a perfect number. What are the factors? 2 is equal to 1 comma 2. The sum of 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. But twice of 2 is equal to 4. Actually twice of 2 equal to 412. But here what is the answer? 3. That's why 2 also not a perfect square. 2 also is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect number. 2 also not a perfect number. The perfect number is only 6 and 28. Some more numbers are there. Means I will explain once again. The perfect number is nothing but the sum of all factors is twice of the given number. Then the number is called perfect number. The sum of all factors is twice of the given number. The number is called a perfect number. Okay students, today we completed some points and perfect number. Tomorrow next class we will discuss about some problems related to these topics.